Checking your account balance on Rover is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Log into your Rover account. Visit the Rover website or open the Rover app on your device. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password, to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access account settings. In your profile menu, look for an option labeled Account or Settings. Click on this option to view your account details. Step 4. Find account balance. Within the account settings, search for a section that displays your account balance. This may be labeled as a balance, a wallet, or something similar. Step 5. Review your balance. Once you find the balance section, you will see your current account balance displayed. Take note of this amount for your records of future reference. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Rover. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances effectively.